This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Buckinghamshire, England. 1. Waddesdon Manor's French Splendour. Start your Buckinghamshire adventure at Waddesdon Manor, a breathtaking French Renaissance-style chateau that looks like it was plucked straight from the Loire Valley. Built by Baron Ferdinand de Rothschild in the late 19th century, this National Trust property is a dazzling showcase of Victorian opulence. You can tour the lavishly decorated rooms, filled with priceless art, antiques, and the famous Rothschild wine cellars. Outside, the formal gardens are a seasonal spectacle of fountains, ornate statues, and a grand aviary with stunning views over the countryside. In winter, the manor is transformed with spectacular festive light displays. Waddesdon Manor is pure French elegance in the heart of the English countryside. 2. Bletchley Park's Secret History. Next, step into the secret world of wartime codebreakers at Bletchley Park, one of Britain's most important historic sites. This sprawling Victorian mansion was the top-secret home of the Government Code and Cipher School during World War II. It's where Alan Turing and his team cracked the German Enigma code, an achievement that helped shorten the war and save millions of lives. You can explore the historic huts, see the rebuilt Bombay machines, and learn the stories of the brilliant men and women who worked in total secrecy. The museum is a fascinating, immersive journey into the world of espionage and intelligence. Bletchley Park is a truly humbling and essential visit for anyone interested in 20th century history. 3. Chiltern Hills' rolling beauty. Lose yourself in the breathtaking landscape of the Chiltern Hills, an area of outstanding natural beauty that covers much of the county. These rolling green hills, ancient woodlands, and charming villages are a walker's paradise. You can tackle the Ridgeway National Trail, one of Britain's oldest footpaths, for spectacular panoramic views. For a gentler route, head to Coombe Hill, the highest point in the Chilterns, which offers stunning vistas across the Aylesbury Vale. You can also explore the picturesque towns of Amersham, Wendover, and Princess Risborough. The Chilterns are an outdoor playground perfect for hiking, cycling, and escaping into nature. 4. Roald Dahl Museum's Whimsy. Unleash your inner child at the Roald Dahl Museum and Story Centre in Great Missenden. This is the village where the beloved author lived and wrote many of his famous books, including Charlie and the Chocolate Factory and Matilda. The museum is housed in the building that was once his favored writing space. You can see his original writing hut, explore interactive exhibits, and learn about the man behind the magical stories. Kids can create gobblefunk words, make stop-frame animations, and immerse themselves in Dahl's fantastical world. It's a wonderful, whimsical attraction that brings literary magic to life for visitors of all ages. 5. Stowe Gardens' grand design. Wander through the magnificent landscape gardens of Stowe, one of the finest examples of 18th century garden design in England. The gardens were created by Capability Brown and are famous for their dramatic lakes, temples, and monuments. You can stroll for hours, discovering hidden follies and enjoying breathtaking vistas. The majestic Stowe House, a stunning Palladian mansion, is also open for guided tours. The gardens are managed by the National Trust, and the house is now a school, but the grounds are open year-round. Stowe is a masterpiece of landscape architecture and a truly peaceful escape. 6. Bekonscot's Miniature World. Step into a charming miniature world at Bekonscot Model Village and Railway, the oldest model village in the world. It opened in 1929 and depicts an idyllic 1930s English village in stunning detail. You can wander through the tiny streets, admire the intricate model buildings, and watch the miniature trains chug along the extensive railway. The level of craftsmanship is incredible, and it's a delight for both children and adults. The attraction is a slice of nostalgic history that has been enchanting families for generations. It's a perfect, quirky stop that will bring a smile to your face. 7. Cliveden's River Views. Discover the grandeur of Cliveden House, a magnificent National Trust property with a dramatic history and spectacular views over the River Thames. This stunning Italianate mansion was once the home of the Astor family and was the setting for political intrigue and scandal. You can explore the opulent rooms, wander through the beautiful formal gardens, and enjoy the peaceful riverside walks. The estate also features a stunning water garden with fountains and cascades. It's an elegant and fascinating place to spend a day. For a truly luxurious experience, you can even stay overnight at the hotel. 8. Marlow's Riverside Charm. Visit the charming riverside town of Marlow, a picturesque gem on the River Thames. This is a quintessentially English town with a bustling high street and beautiful riverside walks. You can enjoy a peaceful stroll along the river, cross the impressive Marlow Suspension Bridge, and relax in Higginson Park. The town is also a fantastic base for exploring the nearby Hughenden Manor, the former home of Victorian Prime Minister Benjamin Disraeli. Marlow is full of character, with independent shops, cozy pubs, and a lively, welcoming atmosphere. It's the perfect place to stop for lunch and watch the boats go by. 9. Chiltern Open Air Museum. Step back in time at the Chiltern Open Air Museum, a unique attraction that brings history to life. This fascinating museum features over 30 reconstructed historic buildings from different periods of British history. You can explore an Iron Age roundhouse, a Victorian toll house, a blacksmith's shop, and even a Second World War Nissen hut. The museum also has a working traditional farm, complete with friendly animals. It's a wonderfully interactive and educational experience for the whole family. Walking through the grounds, you feel like you've truly traveled back in time. Hit the like button if you like the video. If you want exciting offers on flights and hotels, check the description below. Next, 10. Local pub and traditional ale. Finally, you cannot leave Buckinghamshire without experiencing a traditional English pub. The county is dotted with charming, historic pubs that serve hearty meals and local ales. Look for a pub with a thatched roof and a roaring fire, the perfect place to warm up after a day of exploring. You can sample local cheeses, enjoy a classic Sunday roast, and try a pint of real ale brewed in the Chilterns. It's the quintessential British experience that will leave you with a warm feeling inside. Find a cozy spot, order a drink, and soak in the friendly atmosphere. A visit to a local pub is the perfect way to end your Buckinghamshire adventure.